Hey guys, Chase with Rocky Ridge Auto. Today we have a 2026 Ram 2500. We're going to check out the cool mirror functions this one has. In trucks, you have your folding power mirrors, which would be this one here. And that folds both sides if you're in a tight area. And then if you would select left for your driver's side, you can obviously adjust it here. Up, down, in, out, and then vice versa for the right side as well. We'll select the left side again. This one here is your convex mirror. That'll be the bottom portion of your mirror. A lot of trucks you need to manually adjust this, but this is actually powered, so you can adjust that for your passenger and driver side as well. Same thing, up, down, in, out. This button here is your front facing light, and that goes on for both the driver side and passenger side by just selecting that button. And this would be your rear facing light. The thing with those lights are they only stay on, I believe you have to be going less than 5 miles per hour, and then they would shut off if you accelerate above 5 miles per hour. And the last button we'll go over here. If you have any extra wide loads or you're towing something, you can extend the mirrors out so you can see what you got. And that does both the driver's side and passenger side as well. That's everything we have for the Ram 2500 mirrors. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to check back for some more tips.